Welcome everybody to the Scent Adventure. I'm James Showers, cleanest name in the biz, and today we have a certified scent specialist on board. This is Cuddles, the African Grey. I have a full box of products from a brand called Lathr. Now, I saw this brand pop up a while back. I looked at some of their soaps, and it looked like these guys were another one of these brands reselling wholesale products. I kind of started calling them out a little bit for doing this, went back and forth a little bit with the owner, and then I finally decided to say, you know what, I'm challenging you to make a video proving that you actually make your products. Well, within 24 hours, Frank, the owner of Lathr, did provide a video of him making soaps. So I need to apologize to Frank, Lathr, and all of the Lathr buds out there. I was wrong. This is a brand that is doing custom formulations for their products, their soaps, all of their scents. So I wanted to do a review on all the products. That was the other part of the deal. Since I lost, I reached out to this brand owner, Frank, and I said, hey, I want to get some of these products to do some reviews. Well, he just went ahead and sent this whole box of products out. So that's how much he stands behind what he's offering you guys. He also threw in some swag, which is super cool, and I got a little bit of stickers in here. I had to throw them in that pocket because I like that pocket. We got some stickers right here for Lathr. We got a hat, and then we got a bunch of products. All right, this is everything we got in the box. As you can see, Lathr offers quite a bit of products for men's grooming. We have all these cold processed soaps. He even included this rustic pumpkin, which is an October limited edition release, I believe, and it smells pretty damn good. We have a complete shave line over here with shave oil. We get the aftershave tonic to try out and the aftershave lotion. He's got a shave cream right here, but I believe he's also working on a tallow-based shave soap because, well, wet shaving is getting a little bit more popular. We get a complete line of beard care right here, from the wash to oils. He's got a balm, and check this out. He even has a butter, which is something I look for in brands, making sure that they offer a butter to match their oils. We have hair care. This is a shampoo and a conditioner. We're going to try out a little bit later. We get some more men's grooming with some deodorant, and this is actually a Restore Volcanic Charcoal Face Scrub. So some guys really need that a little bit more than others. I will try it and give you guys some feedback. And we do get lotions. This is your traditional lotion, and we have some body oil. Last up is the colognes. He offers sprays and a solid. This one is the lollipops, and I'm glad he sent this one out. This one smells really good. It's not too candy-like. It just has like a nice playful sweetness. He also sent out a few decants for me to try as well, and that is a barbershop and a humidor. Alright, this is how we're going to break up all of these reviews, because obviously this is quite a bit of products. We'll do a cold process soap review, we'll do a shave care, beard care, a hair and face care, we'll do a deodorant, lotions, and cologne and solid review. You guys have tried Lathr. If you've experienced their products, if you have favorite scents, let everyone know what you think about them and what your favorite stuff is in the comments down below, so people can make a good buying decision out there. Other than that, you already know what to do. You like, you share, you subscribe. This isn't your first day on YouTube. Cuddles and myself, we'll see you on the next adventure, and peace.